Good morning, all. Welcome to NCA. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
That's good.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Yes.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Kana. Today we are going to see with respect to clauses. Okay. What you know about clauses?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, you can.
Ma'am, a group of words that contains word, subject, and verb.
Yes, it's correct. A group of words that is having a group of related words. We can say
Yes, ma'am.
a group
Yes,
of
ma'am.
related words that containing a subject or verb, subject and verb. Okay. That is nothing but it contains that sentence contains a subject and a predicate part. So what do you mean by subject? Anyone? Deva, tell me what's the subject?
Ma'am, can I?
Deva.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes, tell me what's the subject? What is the subject? Yes, can I tell me what is the subject?
Ma'am, can I?
Wait, Kana, let him try. Okay? Yes. Let him try, Kana. Fine. Yes. Deva, tell me what is the subject? Deva, what is the subject? What is meant by a subject? Yeah, Gino, tell me what is meant by a subject? Gino? Is that everyone is on mute? No, right?
Ma'am.
Yes, Gino, tell me what is meant by subject? Yes. What is meant by a subject? Dhananyashri?
Ma'am.
Yes, what is meant by subject, Dhananyashri?
Ma'am, your subject means it's a naming part of a sentence, ma'am.
Very good. It is the naming part of a sentence that we can say it is. We are talking about what? Okay?
Yes,
In a sentence.
Ma'am, you
Yes.
can. Ma'am, I can't get.
You can't?
Ma'am, your voice is very stuck.
Is that so?
Yes, ma'am.
Brothers?
To me, I think so.
No, ma'am. No
Okay.
stacking, ma'am.
Okay, Kanan, that's fine. So subject is nothing but it tells about what we are talking about in the sentence, right? So what
Yes,
is
ma'am.
the predicate?
Ma'am, can
Harini,
I
tell
tell?
me. Harini?
Can I?
Harini? Tell me what is the predicate?
Ma'am, predicate means which support the subject, ma'am, as a verb.
Not only as a verb, the remaining part of the sentence, what it talks about. Fine. If the subject has been given, that is
Ma'am,
what.
which tells about the subject,
Yes,
ma'am.
very good. Which tells about the subject.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
good. Fine. So, Diksha, tell me
Yes,
what is a clause? Just now we have seen, no? What is a clause?
ma'am. What?
Ma'am,
Wait. Diksha, tell me, Kanna.
Ma'am, a clause is a group of words that contain subject and predicate. Yes, ma'am. Subject and predicate, and it tells about phrase, verb, and it modifies, ma'am. Modifies objects. A verb with
Is it
any
modifying
object.
the object? Is it no modifying the object?
Yes, ma'am. It will. No, like that. A verb with any objects.
The verb with any object, is that so? The verb with any objects?
And
That will be a type, okay? What you are
yes, ma'am.
saying is that will be a type of it. Fine.
Yes.
It is nothing but a group of related words that is containing a subject and a verb, or as we can say, it is larger than a phrase. Because a phrase contains 2 to 3 words, 3 or 4 words, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
4 words. So whereas when you take this clause, this will be very larger than the words that is given in the phrase.
Ma'am, phrase is not a complete idea, ma'am. It
Yes, it
not
is not a
contains with
complete idea.
subject, verb, and predicate.
Yes, it won't come with subject, verb, and predicate. When you talk about a phrase with related to clause means, we can say it is much more larger than the phrase. Okay? Clause is much more larger than the phrase. And also this clause will include little more information. So here,
Yes, ma'am.
what we are doing
Yes.
is, we are trying to introduce a phrase in this also. Okay? The concept of phrase also. Phrase
Yes,
is
ma'am.
nothing but it won't give a complete idea, as you said, and also it will be having 4 to 5 words. Okay?
Yes,
Whereas
ma'am.
clause will be larger than the group of words which is there in the phrase, and also it will give, this clause will give little more information when compared to phrase. Okay? The clause will give a complete idea about what we are talking. Fine?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
a clause is a group of related words that containing a subject.
Ma'am, your presentation is not moving, ma'am.
Your presentation is visible.
Ma'am, I'm telling it's visible, but it's not moving. Only it's in one page, ma'am, in class page.
Ma'am, actually it got stuck, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible. I think it's network issues.
Yes, Tara. Yes. Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, fine. Just give me a minute, okay? Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Just wait. Audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Yes, you people can able to see my screen. Yes, you people can able to see my screen, view my screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, fine. Say, or
Ma'am,
else we
it's
can
just
say it is a Yes, you people could hear.
Recording in progress.
Right?
Ma'am, it's getting echo.
Yes, it's with Panchavakra. Clause is a group of related words that containing a subject. It is with predicate also because it says about the whole. Is that clear till now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yeah. Good morning, Yuvaraj.
Good morning, ma'am.
So we have different types of clauses. Okay, we have independent. So what is meant by independent? What is meant by independent?
Ma'am, to be
To be
uh,
we are dependent on our parents, right? So that is we are not free enough to, right? So dependent means it will be need some support. So independent means it doesn't need any support. Okay, so that is what India is an independent country, right?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
So that is why we are celebrating our Independence Day on August 15th, right? Yes. So
Yes, ma'am.
independent means we don't want any support from other things. Okay. Whereas dependent means it is depending on the other things. Yes, needs support. Fine. So independent clause, that from the name itself we can say it is the main clause because it is not dependent on any other things, right? So independent clause and the dependent clause. So independent clause is also known as main or principal clause, and dependent clause is also known as subordinate clause. Yes, is that clear? We have two
Yes,
types of
ma'am.
clauses, dependent and independent clause. Okay. First, dependent clause. Yes, Kana?
The meaning again, ma'am. I can't
You want to tell the meaning. So when a word that is, for example, if I am depending on you, okay, depending if a sentence is depending on the other sentence, it is not giving the meaning when it stand alone. Okay, that is what called a dependent clause. So when it can't stand alone without the other sentence, it won't give any meaning. Fine. So that is what the dependent clause. Fine, that we will be seeing it one by one. Okay, independent clause is nothing but main or principal clause. It can stand alone and can be called a sentence. Okay, so this sentence, this type of sentence can stand alone and can be called as a sentence. Okay, it won't depend on any other clauses, that is any other sentence. We can say any other sentence or words. Okay, with that sentence itself we can get the whole idea of the sentence. Okay, is that clear what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
It does not require any conjunction. Okay, it does not require any conjunction. It contains a subject, action, and expresses a complete thought. That's what we are saying. No, it gives the complete information about that sentence itself. Okay, so whatever we are talking, we will get the whole idea of the sentence. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Because it doesn't depend on any other things. No.
Yes, ma'am.
It can give the meaning without any. Yeah, sorry.
stop.
Yes. So here the examples given, right? So I met a friend. I'm going out. This is my room. This shows that I met a friend means you met your friend, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I met your friend. There is no other sub clauses, right? There is no other clauses that was supporting the sentence, right? The
Yes, ma'am.
idea itself is clear from the sentence. No, I'm going out. So I don't know where you're going. Anyhow, you're going out. That is the main idea of the sentence, right?
Yes,
So when
ma'am.
I ask you while you will be there in your room or not, so you are saying that no, I'm going out. This shows that where you are going, for what you are going. I don't know the reason, but the main idea is that you are going out, right? Is
Yes,
that clear?
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, this is my room. Even who stays there or what are the things is there, whether it is neat or not, doesn't matter. Anyhow, that is your room, right? So
Yes,
how
ma'am.
it is, where it is, I don't know. But the main idea is, want to show your room? This is my room, right? So this independent clause doesn't depend on any other things. The main sentence itself give a whole idea of what we are talking about. Okay? Is that clear? Independent clause?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Others?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What about Harini? Tamil Chelvan, Yuvraj? Is that clear, Kanna?
Ma'am.
Yes, fine. So
Ma'am,
next is
it's ma'am,
yes, Kana.
it's mainly giving the main thing is I met a friend, like means
It means
ma'am, that means we don't know that friend is who, but I met a friend.
yeah, that's the main idea, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That is what the independent clause. It does not depend on any other clauses, right? That is fine. Fine. Any other clauses means it's a group of related words. It doesn't relate on any group of related words. No, that is why. Okay.
Okay.
Next is dependent clause. When you see dependent clause, you will get an idea of how is independent clause works. Okay. Here it is what to say. Here it is.
Ma'am, dependent class, another name is subordinate class, ma'am. Ma'am,
So it cannot stand alone. It cannot be a sentence. We saw as it is independent on the other clause, right? Here, sometimes it needs conjunction. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Sometimes it needs conjunction. Okay, not most of the times.
ma'am, dependent.
Sometimes. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, dependent class.
Yes, can I tell me?
Ma'am, dependent class பக்கத்துல ஏன் மேம் subordinate class போட்டுருக்கீங்க?
Yes.
Why, ma'am?
Yes, am I audible or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is Dharanyasha is audible?
Huh?
Or else I'm myself only. I'm not getting her voice.
No, ma'am, you're audible.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I could hear you, Kana. Tell me.
Ma'am, why you put subordinate class, ma'am, there? Ma'am,
Wait, ma'am.
You're asking for that. Dependent clauses all called. So like it's the complete thought. Right? So it contains the subject and an action and expresses a complete thought. No, only with the independent one. Okay, only with the independent one it will give the meaning. Is that clear what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that clear what I'm
Your
saying?
voice is not clear.
Your voice is so.
Yes, only with the independent. Is my voice is so?
Yes, ma'am. My voice is clear, but
Okay, we will continue this tomorrow. Ma'am, Suganya ma'am. Suganya ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you can continue, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Let me
two
stop
class.
sharing. Yes. Yes, yes, 2 classes.
Ma'am, you can stop the live and start the live. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, you can stop the live and start again, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, because we have a playlist, so we want to put the playlist again in that, ma'am. Because they took English, no, ma'am. So we'll put this video in English playlist. You can tell to Gajalakshmi, ma'am, or Manju, ma'am.
Just a minute, sir.
teacher, you can low hand your.
No issues, Kana. You can, ma'am, you can continue with this itself, ma'am. Ma'am kita solli cut பண்ணி போட்டுக்கலாம், ma'am. No issues, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Today we learn about fractions. New topic in maths. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Do you know fraction?
Yes,
previous
ma'am.
class?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. Just I explain the fraction. We learn about fraction and equivalent fraction once again.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is mean by fraction? Any idea?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Can I?
Yes, ma. Yes.
Ma'am, can you mention the name? Who should tell?
Yes,
Suganya.
ma'am.
No, ma'am. Tell who should tell. Mention their name.
Anyone.
Ma'am, a fraction
Ma'am, can
represents a whole or generally any number of equal parts.
Super. Fraction means a part of whole. Okay. Whole
Yes,
means
ma'am.
nothing but it means see the full thing. Okay. Part means separate part, each parts like this.
Yes, ma'am.
You can
Yes,
see this
ma'am.
picture.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
From this first picture, you have see the whole apple. Yeah. And
Yes,
then
ma'am.
picture.
Ma'am,
Yes, pa. Yes. Can you hear my voice?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, ma.
Ma'am, fraction is a number of form where number of a form which is called as p by q, and q is not equal to 0, ma'am.
Super, ma. Once again, I repeat the definition. Okay. That's why I say.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma. So see the first picture. You can see whole apple. Okay. And then second picture. Now I cut into two parts. Okay. How
Yes,
can I write
ma'am.
this fraction? This
1
is a
by 2.
whole part.
Ma'am, 1 by 2.
Half, ma'am.
Super, ma. 1/2.
1/2.
1 minute, 1 minute. So this is a whole part. Yeah. I can
Yes,
split
ma'am.
into two equal parts. So two parts into from this one part. So 1/2. Okay. So this is a fraction. Now fraction can be written as numerator by denominator.
Denominator.
We already know about this. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, pa. What? சொல்லுங்கப்பா.
Ma'am, numerator means in top, ma'am, top, ma'am.
Okay, pa.
Denominator means down, ma'am.
Okay, super nice. Numerator means just a part. Okay. Numerator means just a part, and then denominator means whole things. You can take the whole. Okay, whole value. So we can write numerator divided by denominator. You know about the numerator and denominator meaning?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I can move the next topic.
Yes, ma'am.
What is mean by fraction? Anyone say?
Ma'am, a part of whole.
Nice. And then how to write the fraction form?
Numerator by denominator.
Numerator is bigger number, denominator is
Super, ma, super. And then move next topic. What is mean by equivalent fraction? We already know about the equivalent fraction.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Anyone can explain the equivalent fraction?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Anyone.
Okay, ma'am, fractions which represent the same number, like if we are if there are 5 by 2, and we want to just multiply the 5 with 2, means we have to also multiply the denominator with that same number 2.
Super, ma. Okay.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, ma.
Yes, ma'am. So equivalent fractions are fractions that represent the same value, ma'am, even though they are different. So when we represent the value, we can just different number also can be equivalent fraction, ma'am. In one fraction we can make different types equivalent fraction.
Nice, ma. Great
Yes,
job.
ma'am. In 1/2, like in 1/2, and 1/2 means 2/4, like the 2/4 means 3/6, like that.
Super, ma. Super.
Ma'am, can I explain the equivalent fraction?
Yes, ma.
Ma'am, equivalent fraction are the fraction that have different numerator and denominator, but they are equal, same value.
Super. Now I explain.
Ma'am, for example, 2/4 and 3/6 are equivalent.
Super, ma. Now I can explain what is mean by equivalent fraction. Fraction which represent the same portion of whole are called equivalent fraction. Okay. Now equivalent fraction means same portion of whole part. You know about whole. Yes. And then same part like this equivalent fraction. Now you can see the picture like this. From this picture, same is added. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Four circle you can see, but the circles are same portion will be added in different parts. Yes. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, pa. From this
Yes,
first
ma'am. No,
picture,
ma'am.
1 by 2. That means one whole thing cut into 2 equal parts. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone say second picture, what can I do for this fraction?
Ma'am, 2 by
This
4,
fraction.
you have shaded uh, 2 parts.
Okay, pa. Same portion, but shaded 2 parts. Can
Part.
split into 2 equal parts. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, pa. Then third picture you can see. Third picture you can see.
Yes,
How can
ma'am.
picture?
It colored 3 parts, ma'am.
Super, ma'am. Whole thing 6 parts, but split into 3 parts shaded only. Yeah.
Out of 6, it had been 3 parts had been colored.
Yeah, very good. And then fourth picture.
In whole
Ma'am, in 8,
part, we
4 parts colored.
you shaded 4.
Harini,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
in fourth picture, what can you observe this? How to write the fraction?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, in fourth one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
In fourth one, there are 8 parts, and in 8 parts, we are just dividing only 4. Means we are dividing into 2, so that we would get the half. Then it's 4 by 8.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Now I can tell. From this fourth picture, whole parts 8. Okay. Now shaded parts 4 only. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? 4 by 8. Okay.
Ma'am, I know this. It's very easy, ma'am.
Yeah. I know you all are
Ma'am,
learning about fractions, but only
in
thing.
last fraction,
Yeah.
8 by 4, sorry, 4 by 8 given. We
Okay,
know
ma'am.
the different of the color we see, no, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. From this session,
4
we
colored, not 4 colored balance.
yeah.
Half
Correct.
of 8.
Okay, ma'am. 1/8. From this session, we recall the fraction only. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Call fraction, equivalent fraction. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, please call everyone, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, call everyone, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Many people are there.
Okay, da, okay. How to make a equivalent fraction? By multiplying or dividing?
Multiplying, ma'am. Or
Okay, ma'am.
dividing. It's both the numerator and denominator, ma'am.
By same number. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, by same number.
Super, ma'am. For example, like this. 1 by 3 is a fraction. You can multiply 2 by 2. That means same number multiply and divide. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah, ma'am.
ma'am, in addition and not in multiplication, others divide, subtraction, addition, the denominator are same, means we we add the numerator, we subtract or we divide the numerator and put the answer, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. From this session, we multiply. Okay.
Ma'am, that is called the like fraction also, ma'am. The denominator are same.
Okay, da, okay, da. I can explain. Okay, ma'am. Now here multiply. Okay. So 1 by 3 into 2 divided by 2. So you have an equivalent fraction 2 by 6. Okay. Can you hear my voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
मैम
Yes.
उनका वॉइस क्या करनी है
Now audible? Now my voice audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Next, move the other topic.
Oh wow, that's so cool. What did you do on TikTok? And she was like, oh, you probably already seen some of my videos because a few of them have went viral. And I have over 5,000 followers, but I mostly lip sync to popular.
Can you hear my voice?
Yes, ma'am. Can
Okay,
hear
ma'am.
you, ma'am.
Next, do you know ascending order? What is mean by ascending order and descending order?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Anyone tell?
but 1 by 6 is there, ma'am.
Now I ask what is mean by ascending order or descending order?
Ascending order means
too big मैम
smallest number to biggest number.
Okay.
It is descending order means biggest number to smallest number.
Very good. Super. Ascending order means smallest number to biggest number. Yeah, correct.
Yes, ma'am.
In fraction, how to find
मैम 1 by 6
greater value?
मैम 1 by 6 2 by 3 4 by 9
Just a minute. I can explain. In fraction, how to know the greater value. Okay. Generally, we know 2 and 4. Which is greater? 2 and 4. Compare.
4
Here.
by 9. 4 is greater, ma'am.
Super. In fraction, how to greater value know? 2 by 3 and 1 by 6. How can you know?
No.
Yeah.
Ma'am, by seeing itself, we can tell, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Now I explain. You can take the equivalent fraction. Yeah. Now the denominators are different. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
3 fractions are given here. From these 3 fraction, denominator are different. Okay. So we cannot say the greater value. So now we can change into the same denominator. How can I change the same
Ma'am,
denominator?
in LCM. Take LCM,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Very good, very good. We can take the LCM. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Here 3, 6, 9. Take LCM. Then value is
1 3 is a 3.
okay.
2 is a 6. 3
Okay.
3 is a 9.
Okay. And then next step. Anyone? Next step. What is the LCM?
Ma'am, least common factor. Least common factor.
Okay, ma. Super. What is the answer? So next table you can.
Ma'am, by 2 we can solve, ma'am.
Okay. So 2 table potamna. 1 2 is 2. Then 3 again.
Yes, ma'am. Again 3
Then
tables.
3 table. 1 1 1. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So then the LCM is 3 into 2 into 3. Yeah, correct.
Ma'am,
18, ma'am.
the
18.
LCM is
18. Very good. Super.
yes, ma'am. The answer is 162.
Wait. Sorry, pa. LCM is 18. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
First, we take the different denominators are given. So we take the same denominator. That's why I can take LCM. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Here LCM is 18. So split into the 3 parts. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Here 2 by 3. When gives 18? What number multiply by the 2 by 3? Numerator and denominator. Any idea?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, ma.
Ma'am, 3 6 are 18. 2 6 are 12.
Super, ma. In equivalent fraction definition, that means same denominator and numerator multiple. Yeah.
Multiply by same number.
Yes, ma. So we can multiple 6 by 6. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So what? 6 by 6. In first fraction 2 by 3 into 6 by 6. We have 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18.
18, ma'am.
2 3s are
6. 6.
So first fraction we have sorry ma 2 by 3 into 6 by 6. So 3 6 are 18, 2 6 are 12. It's correct?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay pa. Okay. Then second fraction we take 1 by 6. How can I give 18 denominator?
Ma'am, 6 3s are 18 and 1 3s are 3. 3 by 18.
Super ma, very good. We can multiply and divide it by 3. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay pa. So 3 by 3.
3 by 18, ma'am.
Okay ma. So second number is 3 by 18. Okay. And then third fraction, how can I write?
Ma'am, 9
Ma'am,
twos are
8 by 19. 8 by 19.
8.
Sorry, 8 by 18. Sorry, ma'am. 8 by 18.
Super ma. Nice. So we can multiply and divide it by 2. Okay. So then the answer is 4 2s are 8 divided by 9
18. 8 by
18.
18.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we can take the equivalent fractions here. What? 2 by 3 have 12 by 18. And then 1 by 6 have
3 by 18.
super 3 by 18. And then 4 by 9
8 by 18.
8 by 18.
super ma 8 by 18. Now which number is greater?
12 by 18.
12 you
by
observe
18.
on minute ma you observe 18 is a denominator or same from 3 fraction. Correct? All
Yes,
denominator have 18 but numerator have changes. So we can arrange small number to bigger number. Yeah. Find ascending order only. So
Ma'am?
how can I find this ascending order?
3
Ma'am?
by
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually, if denominator are same, we have to only observe the numerator. If
Very
we
good, very
observe
good.
that 3,
Ma'am, we
8,
don't need to multiply or divide, ma'am, if denominators are same. Only by seeing it as we can tell.
Super, ma. Correct. Numerator are same, so only observe the denominator are same, only observe the numerator. Which one is greater, which one is smaller? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
yes,
ma.
ma'am.
Okay.
And 3 by means 1 by 6, then 4 by 9, and then 2 by 3.
Okay, pa. Here, not necessary to simplify them. Okay. Just you can see the numerator. Which number is smaller? That's only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, which number is smaller from this number?
3,
From
ma'am. By 3.
And 18.
Correct, ma. 3 by 18. And then
8 by 18.
8 by
8 by
18 and then
18
12 by 18.
By
and
18.
12 by 18.
18.
Super, ma. Okay. So question is arrange in ascending order. So give fraction, denominator are different. Okay. So we can take a equivalent fraction. So you can take equivalent fraction and then answer is same denominator. Okay. And then arrange the smaller number to bigger number. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today we learned fraction and equivalent fraction and arrange in ascending order. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
tomorrow we'll discuss about the remaining section
Okay, ma'am.
and then you can simplify some questions. I can give this problem to work out.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Now I give some two problems. Tomorrow we work out the sum. Okay.
Ma'am.
Today we observe the ascending order session clearly.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, ma. Okay. First sum. I can write, you note this. Eight by 3, 7 by 4, 3 by 2. Okay. Voice audible, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma. First homework sum. 8 by 3, 7 by 4, 3 by 2. Arrange in ascending order. Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, ma. Now I write second question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, pa. Second question. 2 by 5, 1 by 3, and then 5 by 6. Okay.
Ma'am, this is in which order, ma'am?
Arrange in descending order. Now you try this.
Ma'am, before sum is ascending order and this is descending order, no, ma'am?
Yeah, correct. First sum arrange in ascending order. Second sum arrange in descending order. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Anyone say what is mean by descending order?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can I?
can I?
Yes, ma.
Ma'am,
Can I?
arranging bigger to
Descending
smaller.
order means
Ma'am, can I?
Anyone.
Ma'am, arranging bigger numbers.
Ma'am, big to small, ma'am.
Super, super. All are correct. Arrange in bigger number to smaller number.
Smaller number.
Okay. Descending order means arrange in bigger value to smaller value. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Okay. Next section we will discuss the other topics.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye,
Nice
ma'am.
day.
Have a
Thank you.
Ma'am, can we leave the class?
1 minute, pa.
Ma'am?
Ma'am, can we?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma.
can we leave the class?
Okay, ma.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma.
Have a
Bye,
nice day.
everyone. Have a nice day. Bye, everyone.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma.
Yes, ma'am. மேம் நான் பேசுறது கேக்குதாங்க மேம்?
கேக்குதுங்க மேம். லைவ் கட்
ஓகே மேம். எஸ் மேம். நீங்க தான் ஹோஸ்ட் மேம். கிளாஸ் எண்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
பண்ணிக்கிறேன் மேம்.
எஸ் மேம்.
Thank you, ma'am.
எஸ் மேம். Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you and bye, ma'am.
Yes, thank you. Bye. Have a nice day. Jai Bharat.
Jai Bharat, ma'am.